Many people don't want to use their NAS just for simple file storage. With rising subscription prices, content spread across multiple platforms, and other frustrating changes, more users are looking for alternatives for the media they consume every day. One of the most popular third-party media server apps is Plex. If you already have a library of movies, TV shows, or music on your NAS, Plex allows you to stream everything conveniently to all your devices while keeping full control and ownership of your media. But let's start with the basics. Before installing Plex, we first need to prepare our NAS and organize our media. If you haven't done this yet, create separate folders to sort your content, for example, movies and TV shows. Simply create new shared folders, name them, and move your files into the correct locations. A clean structure here will save you a lot of time later. Once everything is prepared, we can move on to installing Plex. Go into App Central and search for Plex. Select Plex Media Server and install it. After the installation is complete, open Plex, which will launch in a new browser tab. Here, you can either create a new account or log in with an existing one. The basic account is completely free and does not require a credit card or subscription. This account connects all your devices and allows you to access your media from anywhere. Once logged in, Plex will guide you through a quick setup process that connects your Plex account with your ASUSTOR. You can name your server if you want and press Next. Now we connect our media to Plex. We create new libraries for different types of content and select the corresponding folder on our NAS that we created before. In the Advanced section, you can adjust the scanner and agent to automatically crawl for metadata of your files, but also a couple of other things, although some features are only available with a Plex Pass. You can repeat this process for other media types like TV shows, music, or even photos. Once your libraries are set up, Plex will scan your folders and automatically match your files with online metadata. Depending on the size of your library, this may take a few minutes. When it's finished, your content will appear with thumbnails, descriptions, and additional details, similar to a professional streaming platform. There are several ways to watch your content. The simplest option is using your web browser. Plex Web is also installed with Plex Media Server and can play almost any media directly from your NAS. You can also stream content to devices like Chromecast. For this, you need an active HTTPS connection. Once that's set up, open Plex in your Chrome browser, click the cast icon, and select your Chromecast device. Plex also supports a wide range of smart TVs and set-top boxes, including Apple TV, Android TV, Fire TV, and Roku, as well as smartphones, tablets, and gaming consoles. Make sure your device is on the same network as your NAS, then download the Plex app from the App Store and sign in with your Plex account. A 4-digit code will appear on your screen. You will be asked to open a browser and go to the activation page. You enter your code and link your device to your account. Once this is done, your device will automatically connect to your Plex server running on your ASUSTOR. Plex Media Server is maintained by Plex, and updates for your ASUSTOR are available through the official Plex website. When a new version is released, you can either update directly via App Central or install it manually. For a manual update, check the Activity section in Plex for a server update notification. Download the latest ASUSTOR package file and close Plex afterward. Once downloaded on your computer, open App Central on your NAS, go to Management, and select Manual Install. Choose the downloaded file, upload it, and follow the installation steps inside App Central. After installation, reopen Plex Media Server and you will have the newest version for you to use. Some advanced features are locked behind the Plex Pass subscription, such as hardware acceleration and additional customization options. However, for basic use, the free version is more than enough to enjoy your personal media library on your own home server.